This short video explains how to buy shares of Warner Music Group Corp. Warner Music Group is a global recorded music and music publishing company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WMG. This content is educational and not financial advice. To trade WMG, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar to find the company by name or ticker. Type WMG to locate Warner Music Group. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed WMG share from the search results. On the stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Warner Music Group. Verify the ticker shows WMG and the description references recorded music and publishing services. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details including order type and any fees before you confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After confirmation, your WMG position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same walkthrough.